Welcome friends, you must be thinking that today what I am going to show you, which video. Actually the video is of my daughter's bathroom. So let's start from the entrance. You can see this doormat. Bath is written on the top of this doormat, and this I purchased from West Side. It is really beautiful. Now let's enter into the bathroom. I will show you the bathroom first of all in dark. You can see, just see here, candles are giving such a good influence to the bathroom. Now let's put on the lights. So these are actually DIY candles. This is a DIY candle. I made it, and it is half burnt, and now this bowl is also a DIY. It was empty cream bottle, my cream bowl and cream jar. It got emptied, and I just decorated with golden dust. Then you can see this mug. This mug is again a DIY. There is a sad and happy story with this mug. The sad story is the moment I bought this mug, the second day this mug slipped by my maid's hand and it got defect. It didn't broke into pieces, it didn't came out in two pieces, but it has little defect and not useful for drinking purpose. So I just made a tea candle out of it, and even this candle is a DIY because this has been made from the remaining candle. I collect pieces of candle, I melt them and make them, but this time I was not having color and the food color and the scent, so it is a simple plain candle with stickers. I was having stickers in my stock, so I just try to decorate it. You can see here baby written, perfect for my daughter's room. On the bag also there is a very good motif, you can see. So we normally it looks beautiful like this if I place, but we normally place it like this because baby is written, so perfect for decor of my daughter's bathroom, kids bathroom. Now you can see this shelf. Actually we were having Indian pot here, but 1 year before I just replaced it with this European pot. So you can see when I replaced this with this European pot, so 2 nail marks were here, and we were not in mood to change the tiles. So this idea clicked that we can place a shelf here on the top of this European pot, and you can see it looks beautiful. At the same time it is a good place to decorate your items. Yes friends, I would like to tell you that all the decor is done keeping safety in mind. I've used generally all the toys required daily during bath. When my daughter take bath, she should feel happy. She take the toys because generally, normally these are all her bought types. Some which she was very small, she used to play with them, and now she's not playing, so I decorate. Few are which she is right now using during bath also, like this tortoise. We bought it from Shoppers Stop. It is very interesting toy, but it normally used to be in basket because she wants water. And I was not interested to give water for playing this toy because the water spills, and you know, then it becomes always a headache for me to clean it. So an idea came in my mind, why not to decorate in bathroom. So during bath time she needs extra time and she plays with this toy. It walks and crawls in water. It's an interesting toy. It was very expensive, so my husband was saying that you kept it in basket, it is of no worth, so why I purchased for her. So then I realized that why not decorate it here, it will look beautiful, and it is looking beautiful actually. Now this you can see again a bath toy. This is again, it also comes in use. You can see it also comes in use. And then these toys are again bath toys. I will show you. These are again bath toys. They all come in use. This she got in some chocolate, so I find it interesting. I kept it here. It has wheels, it walks like that, so I kept it here. She plays with this. She plays with this. These are again mother dolphin with 3 children. This was gifted by my brother when at the time of her birth. She used to play, and now she's not playing, so I decorated them here. It gives her memory. She feels good. She tried to listen stories about it, that when she used to play, when she was very small and she used to play, so what was her reaction, how she used to react. So I tell her stories, she gets happy. So you know, touchy moments. Now you can see here a rack. This rack is with all the utility items for cleaning, like your Harpic, your bleach, phenyl, a spray, pest spray, insecticide spray. Then this is actually strictly prohibited for my daughter to touch. We have strictly, though it is on good height, you can see from floor. I will show you. You can see on a good height. It is on a good height, and I told my daughter not to touch them. Now the second shelf. Here you can see a cloth for cleaning. Then this pee bottle, pee safe bottle. It is a sanitizer and pee safe spray, and we use it seriously. Whether it's like all my bathrooms are having this, and there are the bottles in my car, in my handbag. I always carry a bottle in my handbag, travel bottle. So this is an important thing for bathroom. Then for good order, I place the zipper, open the zipper. This basket, you can see it has brushes for washing, so, and vanish kept, so pretty organized. Then you can see this rack. Earlier we were having only this single rack. Then I placed this another rack, this single rod for towel. Then I placed the another rack for keeping clothes and towel. Yes, you will be thinking that 2 towels. My daughter needs 2 towels, one for her hair. Then her bathrobe. This is her bathrobe. You can see her bathrobe. It is now she requires a new bunch, but she is so much touched with this bathrobe that she says कि अभी और थोड़ा use करते हैं. So it is here. Then a sticker. I decorate this wall with a sticker. Now here we come. First I show you a fish here. Wait. Again a bath fish. Here's a bath toy is here. Then yes, you will be thinking the entire bathroom has been decorated with fishes and your turtles. So you know, I tried to relate this bathroom with water related items and fish, turtles and fish. If you think about these two water animals, immediately it clicks that water and these water animals are pretty correlated. So that is the reason that I tried to decorate it with these toys. On the pot, on the top, I put a pot with grass and flowers. It gives greenery to the. This is an artificial flower. This gives greenery to the bathroom, and at the same time enhances the beauty also. Now this you can see. This stand, actually it's a multi-purpose stand. It looks pretty beautiful. I used it for cutleries, but one day I realized that it looks more pretty in this bathroom. It fits with the decoration here, so this is the reason I kept it here. I tried to give this corner a pink. So this mug, this was gifted to my daughter. I don't remember when. But this, because it's not a virgin plastic, and we are not giving plastic cups and bowls to my daughter for drinking milk, water, etc. So I used it for keeping these medicines and a small Dettol bottle, and they look organized actually. So you can see now, here is the dryer, set of dryer. I tried to organize the wire in this empty in aluminium foil there is a roll of cardboard. So this empty cardboard is used to organize this wire. Now whenever I will be showing you the videos, I will show you that I keep on decorating the switchboards also. So this decoration is done to enhance the beauty of the bathroom, because switches, we decorate the shelves, we decorate the walls, but these switchboards always remain empty. They remain naked, and they says that decorate us also, we are also part of your room or bathroom or kitchen. So I decorated this switchboard, and this particular piece actually enhances the beauty. Here you can see the tubs. I will show you her stools. She needs tool, one for brushing at the time of brushing, and then one for bathing, and then the buckets. This bucket she is using when she was only 1 year. So this I purchased from Mother Care. It's a very good bucket. So this is there, and then her bathtub. Till now she uses the bathtub. Not always, but sometimes. So this is the bathtub. So here is the decoration. I will show you again. I will try to give you an overview. Okay guys, I hope you have liked my video. So please like, subscribe and share the video. It motivates.